Looks like another one of those quiet days in Empire City. On the surface, it seems as though crime has taken a holiday. Well, let's look a little closer.
This always happens, just as soon as the frog gets out of jail.
Only one way to stop this, Chief, and that's to put the frog back in jail, where he can't cause any trouble.
Last time we put the frog in jail, his gang continued the bank robberies and holdups.
He's their leader, and they follow his orders. If we could only get him to reform.
We'll bring him in. Then it's up to you, Chief.
Oh, back behind bars again. How disgusting.
That's right, Frog. It's about time you learn you can't get around the law of crime and punishment.
I hate that word. Punishment. Punishment. Woe is me. Woe is me. I'll never forget how happy I was when I was a baby. So sweet and innocent and honest. And then the Stark played me a dirty trick. He delivered me into a house where as soon as I could walk, they stuck me in a wooden jail with bars. Then as soon as I could run, I broke my first window. And then the burglar alarm went off. And so I was sent up the river. And while I was on the inside, I made my plans of what I would do once I got on the outside. And then I pulled my first big job.
Look, a bank holdup. Let's get that crook.
And that's how Courageous Cat put me back in the inside again. I'd learned my lesson. To succeed in crime, I'd organize. Get me some boys to follow my orders. So once I got outside again, I smuggled some tools to Muggsy Fox and helped him make his getaway. Yeah, Butch, join my gang and you'll go places. I'll make you rich. On our first job, we were spotted by Courageous Cat. We couldn't shake him loose. And so he cooked our goose. Oh, things went from bad to worse. Yeah, I even tried to racket, see? The Empire City track meet was a sellout, and I tried a little bribery, or payola, as it's known in the trade. I was waiting in my office for the payoff. Ay, what a payoff there was! I'll never forget it. Golly, Chief, I just realized you're right. You just can't get around the law of crime and punishment.
Sure, I'm glad you've seen the light. Goodbye, Frog.
Goodbye, Chiefy, old pal.
So you see, the frog reformed. And about time he did. Time? Uh-oh, my watch! It's gone! The frog stole it. Why, that conniving little thief. Bring him back, boys!
We'll have him back behind bars in no time.
Oh, why did I have to steal his watch? What's the good of telling the time when I have no place to go?
Listen to this. Crime on the wane in Empire City. Police efforts praised by City Council. You know, that's the first time they've ever said anything nice.
I guess you can relax now, Chief.
Yeah, and boys, oh, do I need a good rest.
Now that we've got the Chief off guard, let's contact the Frog and get to work. Operator X9 calling. Come in, please. Come in, please.
Hello, X9. This is F1. Over.
Roger, F1. We're coming in. We're coming in. Over and out.
Harry, this will be my master stroke. Since Courageous Cat and Minute Mouse have decided that crime does pay, we'll soon own and control all of Empire City.
Okay, Frog. What's our first assignment?
Well, this is an easy one. Go to the corner of Vine and Grape and rob the jewelry store.
Can do, Froggy. Let's go, Courageous.
Hello, Courageous. What are you and Minute doing here?
Why, we're robbing the jewelry store, right, Minute?
Very funny. Still, I'd better call the Chief. Hello, Chief. I know this sounds crazy, Chief, but I think I just saw Courageous Cat and Minute Mouse robbing a store.
Murphy, you've been drinking? I just can't believe it. Calling all cars. Be on the lookout for Courageous Cat and Minute Mouse. They have turned into rogues. That is all.
Beautiful. Just beautiful. We'll use this car to confuse the cops. Your next assignment will be a blast job.
Attention all units. Form a dragnet. We must stop this gang, or else I'll lose my job.
Changing to this motorbike was a good idea, Minute. Thanks.
You're welcome, buddy boy. Where to now?
The Frog says to hit the clock store next.
A clock store? Why?
Later for that. Let's go. The Frog is going to use the inside for time bombs. Get it?
Got it.
There go the bells, but don't be alarmed.
Yeah, well, I know, Commissioner. Yes, sir. We'll do our best. What? Yes, sir. I know you said, or else. Yes, sir.
If you don't mind, why the sub, bub?
Have you ever heard of an underwater cop? Well, neither have I. So we're on our bubbly way to rob a warehouse.
Sounds all wet to me.
Quiet, you drip.
Let's take the loot and scoot.
You guys are doing just fine. And now, we're ready for the big one.
What do you mean, big one, boss?
I mean, kidnapping. You're either big or nowhere. So make up your minds.
I'd rather be little in here.
Now hear this. Never use the same method twice.
There's a police station now.
Okay, Chief, we're taking over. Step down.
Wait a minute. Hey, you guys. What is this? Wait! I said wait! You can't do this to me. I'm the chief.
Wake up, Chief.
Who? What?
That must have been some dream.
Yeah, and meanwhile, the Frog has been very busy.
That doesn't bother me, as long as you're on my side.
Far end of a certain town, in a secluded brownstone house, a sinister experiment is in progress.
4 grains of H2O, 3 ounces of fluid from an eagle's left eye. Answer the phone, Harry. Whoever it is, tell him I'm out.
Okay, boss. The frog is out. The frog is out. The frog is out. Hello? The frog is, the frog is... Hey, boss! I forgot what I was supposed to say.
Well, tell him I'm out, you egghead.
Hello? The frog said he's, You don't say. You don't say. You don't say.
Who was it, Harry?
You don't say.
Give me that phone. Hello? Oh, it's you, eh? What's on your mind, McPug?
Listen carefully now, Froggy. The word's out. Courageous Cat's gunning for you. He got wind of what you're up to, so you better lay low.
Now, get this straight, McPug. Nobody's interfering with my plan, see? Nobody.
I gotta hang up, boss. Nobody. Courageous Cat is headed this way.
Any signs of the frog, Courageous?
Nope. Wonder where he's hiding.
Courageous, look!
Do you see the frog, Minute?
No, I see an ice cream parlor. Maybe the frog's hidden in there.
Are you suggesting that we search the ice cream parlor?
It would be a good idea, huh?
I get your message. Okay, let's go. Don't gulp it down all at once, Minute. Yikes! Somebody stole the wheels off our Catmobile.
And they propped it up with old boxes.
These wheels is getting kinda heavy, boss.
You can unload them over there, Harry. Well, that fixes the cat's wagon. Now, I'll add the finishing touches to my secret formula without any interference. 2 drops of uranium mum, 1 jigger of hydrogen, 2 slices of salami.
Don't forget the mustard, boss.
And now for the supreme test. Eureka! It works! I'm a success. Anything I spray with this magic fluid will turn into a tin can.
I don't get it, boss. What good are tin cans?
Hey, you'll find out, Harry. This secret formula will make me the richest frog in the whole world.
Armed with a secret formula, the frog sets out to put his plan into operation.
Where to, boss?
Pull over to that jewelry store.
Where's our next stop, boss?
Pull over to that furrier shop. Well, Harry, my plan worked. I collected all the tin cans they threw away. And now, I will spray the cans with formula number 2. And the tin cans will revert back to their original form. Well, Harry, how do you like it?
Gee, boss, you sure are smart.
Yeah, but not smart enough.
Courageous Cat!
Look, boss, Courageous Cat's taking formula number 1.
Now, look here, Cat. That formula belongs to me, see? Come on, hand it over.
Yeah, let's have it. Hey, boss, we changed into a couple of tin cans. What do we do now, huh?
Just close your lid, Harry, and let's get out of here.
What a spot for a vacation.
Yes, Minute, but we're here to keep our eye on the Frog and Harry.
Look, Courageous. People throwing coins into the ocean.
That's right, Minute. The natives are expert swimmers, and diving for coins is an old Hawaiian custom.
Look, the Frog and Harry. They've stolen the money from those natives.
Yes, stealing is one of the Frog's customs. Let's go, Minute.
That was a pretty good haul, Harry.
Hurry, Courageous, they're getting away. We can follow their trail in the sand. Their footprints end right by this palm tree.
Okay, Harry, let's get out of here.
Come on, Minute. They must have headed into the jungle.
Listen, Courageous. Drums. What can that mean?
It looks like some sort of a ceremonial dance.
Look at the size of that pearl.
Gosh, it must be worth a fortune.
There's only one way to find out, Harry. Let's scram.
Steal, Frog, steal. This is terrible. The gods will be angry. Much harm comes to my people.
The Frog's really done it this time. After him, Minute.
Gee, boss, this looks like a volcano. And here comes Courageous Cat and Minute Mouse. We're trapped, Frog.
Come on, we'll beat it down the other side.
Run, Minute. The volcano is erupting.
It's starting to rain. Maybe that will put out the volcano.
Sounds more like a typhoon.
There goes Harry and the Frog.
After them, Minute. We can't let them get away. My gun is wet. It won't work.
Golly, Courageous. The Frog angered the gods. Think of something fast.
You gave me an idea, Minute. Frog, the natives say you angered the gods, and that caused the volcano and typhoon.
I did? Well, I'll put it back. I'll put it back. I've got to sit on it to keep it from blowing away. Hey, what's up?
The Frog came to Hawaii and thought he'd steal the show.
But as they say in the theater, he just laid an egg.
Our crime prevention exhibit is a huge success, thanks to you, Courageous Cat and Minute Mouse.
Glad we could help out, Chief.
Boy, look at that.
Golly, it's streamlined.
It's the real Catmobile. This is a scale model of the Cat Cave.
This is Courageous Cat's famous gun.
They say it has over 1,000 uses.
Ah, the coast is clear. I shall mold this clay into a model of the cat gun. Now, I will switch this clay gun with the real one.
Look at that exhibit, Courageous.
They must be demonstrating an actual robbery.
Looks like fun. I'll join them.
My little mouse friend.
Gosh, it's Rodney Rodent. I better take my cat gun back from the exhibit. Okay, Rodney, I've got you covered. Suffering sardines, this gun is made of clay.
Yes. I have the real gun, Courageous Cat. Try the lasso gun for size.
I'll get him, Courageous.
And how do you like this net gun? It's all my fault, boys, for holding this exhibit.
Don't blame yourself, Chief. We'll go after Rodney Rodent and put him behind bars where he belongs.
Look, it's Rodney Rodent. He just robbed the bank.
Let's go after him.
So, now, I will use the grease gun.
He got away again, Courageous. After him.
They have not learned their lesson. I will stop them with this tack gun.
We're not licked yet. Come on, Minute. We'll show them.
I have another surprise for you, pussycat. The fog gun.
Help, I can't see.
We're lost again. We'll just have to wait for the fog to clear.
It looks pretty hopeless.
Maybe not, Chief. I have a plan. And here's the plan. Now listen, first of all, we'll go on the other side, and as soon as we get there, we'll give them the advice on the other side. See what I mean?
Oh, what an opportunity. The famous Hope Diamond on exhibit. I will add it to my collection. I will use the glass cutter gun.
Okay, Rodney, you fell into our trap.
I will use the parachute gun to make my escape.
Our plan is working. To the roof, Minute.
Okay, Courageous.
The frog said it, Goofy Harry said it, and now I will say it. Crime does not pay.